Hey YouTube world, what's going on? Mark here from TST Industries, back in the garage with another installation video. And as you can see in front of me, I have a full suite of products, and behind me I have a 2019 model Yamaha Tracer 900. All the products on this table are all the crash protection products we have provided by Womet-Tech to cover the 2018 to 2020 model Yamaha Tracer 900. So if you have a Tracer 9 GT, which would be 2020 and up, 2021 and up, be sure to check that out. It's a little different. Some of the products may be different. But in short, let's cover over everything. That way, if you're watching a video for, say, spool sliders, you understand that, yes, we do have frame sliders as well. So starting on the right-hand side, we do have spool sliders. We also have spools. These are a much smaller piece made out of aluminum. Going back to the right, we have our single point frame sliders. Coming over to the left, however, we have our dual point EVOS frame sliders. These are a 2-point system with a much larger Delrin slider. Coming back to the right one last time, we have our engine slider. This is a Delrin cap meant to replace the OEM cap on the left side case. And lastly, on the left-hand side, we have our front fork sliders. These are 2 Delrin pucks with an aluminum rod that installs in minutes on the front wheel. In this video, we will be installing the front fork sliders.
Hey guys, it's Ben from TST. Let's go over this fork slider install. So, Womet-Tech luckily sends these pre-assembled. You'll notice that there's 2 ends on it, of course. One of them will have this recessed kind of cup on it, and that's gonna go on this part. The other end that's flat is gonna come on this flatter part here by the fork. So we'll start by kind of disassembling everything. Just keep in mind which side everything goes onto. All right, so on this side, we'll run this through here, through the axle. And coming onto the other side, where that recessed part is again, we'll just retighten that on this end. These bolts are 6 mils in case you find it easier to use a tool. But personally, I like to just kind of walk it in by hand first. All right, so once that's bottomed out, it will start to spin freely on the other end. So we're gonna use this to hold it in place. And then we're gonna take our torque wrench set to 12 Newton meters just to torque that down. Perfect, so now that we got that click, we're all set and we're ready to ride.
All right, and I wanna give a huge thank you to Ben for helping us through this installation. If you haven't already seen him in some other videos, we are trying to incorporate some new fresh faces onto our YouTube channel. So if you like the way this is going, like Ben as a host, be sure to leave some feedback below. But as you can see, we finalized this installation. We are ready to ride. I should mention, however, that included in this fork slider kit are 2 accent ring pairs. We have a red and a silver one. These are just accent rings. They are reflective, so if you do add them on for a little color pop, not only will you get that, but when you take pictures, you'll have a cool little lit up ring on your front fork sliders. So if you like this product, you want to check it out, or any other product we may have for the Tracer 900, or another bike sitting in your garage, be sure to stop by our website, tstindustries.com. The link to this product is in the description below. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them down below as well. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn the notification bell on to stay up to date with all the new and exciting videos we are putting out. And lastly, stop by our social media pages, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all username TST Industries. This has been Mark and Ben from TST Industries. Catch you guys next time.